Hey there, it's Janice Stolnick with NNCmembers.com, and I have my co-host PJ here with me today. I am really excited to talk to you about mindset. And there's so much more to being a legal nurse than just reviewing medical records. You really have to be in the right mindset, and you're an entrepreneur, and being an entrepreneur is tough. And so today I want to talk about one of my favorite books that should help you on your journey to legal nurse consulting success, and kind of give you some pointers on goals and just keep your mind in the right place so that you're always doing what you need to do to move forward in your business, and do it in a way that is positive and keeps you excited like this little guy. So stay tuned. Okay, we're back. So, one of the things that I'm rocking my new legal nurse's rock hat, by the way. The quality is great. I love this hat, and if you want to get it, I'll leave a link below so you can order it from this gal's Etsy website. She did a really great job designing a t-shirt and a hat for me, so I'll share that with you guys. But one of the things about being a legal nurse, a lot of us go through programs and there's a lot of hype, there's a lot of excitement, and that's because it's really all about your mindset, right? They're trying to get your mind in the right place so that you can get out there and you can start rocking your legal nurse consulting practice. The problem is we get home and then we kind of start to taper off. And so I really want you guys to focus on reading one book a month to help your mind stay on track and to help keep you motivated and inspired to move in the direction of your dreams and to move into building that business or that legal nursing practice that you've always wanted to build. Because you're going to get out there and you're going to meet lawyers that tell you no, and some aren't the friendliest. That's a small amount of attorneys. For the most part, many are very excited to meet legal nurses and to work with them. But there will be that one, and sometimes that one can really knock you down and get you, set you back. Inside the legal nurse community, I share a story when I first started my journey and how one attorney just came in and knocked me out, and I let him knock me out for months. And so it's so important that we protect our mind and we protect, our dreams. And so one of my favorite books that I really, really love and I encourage you grab is Rhinoceros Success by Scott Alexander. And I'm the kind of person that just needs a swift kick in the butt. And so this book was great for me. It's a super easy read. It's very short. So if you're busy, this is easy to pick up and read, a couple pages a day and really help get your mind where it needs to be. But I want to read something to you about goals. So it's really important that you set goals within your legal nursing practice. And you should always plan long-range goals, intermediate goals, and short-term goals. And when you're planning your long-range goals, I want you to think, what do you want to be and what do you want to do with your life? So what is it that you're trying to accomplish in your life by having a legal nurse consulting practice? What is it that you're trying to attain? For me, I wanted to be a stay-at-home mom, and I didn't want to miss out on holidays and weekends and all those precious moments with my little baby. Hi, babies, you're on TV. So that was important to me. And when I first started my practice in 2009, I wasn't a mom, I wasn't married, and I just knew that long term, that was the goal, and that was what I was working towards. Next, you need to plan your intermediate goals. So what are you going to be in the next 5 to 10 years? So where is your plan in the next 5 to 10 years? What do you want to do with your practice that creates that success in the next 5 to 10 years? What is it you want to do? For me, again, my goal was to have enough cases and to have enough attorneys so that I was hoping 5 years I'd be married and have a family. I could be a stay-at-home mom, and that is what I've created for myself. And so very important to have those intermediate goals. And then finally, your short-term goals. And I love short-term goals because if you just focus on one step at a time, eventually you'll get to your bigger goal. So when you're planning your short-term goal, you want to know, what is it that I want to accomplish this week and this month? And some of those things that you want to accomplish this week is maybe going out and marketing to a couple of attorneys. Go to 3 different offices this week. Or maybe this month you want to go to 2 different bar association meetings so that you can get your name out there and start getting your face, become the face in the legal community. And that's so important. So write down your short, intermediate, and long-term goals and really focus on those. And then you want to just stay positive. You got to remember that the more energy you put into something, the more energy you put into your legal nursing practice, the more you're going to get out of it. And it's really hard to be an entrepreneur. It just is, because you're going to have so many naysayers, so many people that are going to think, oh, she's just doing one of those things again. And you've got to have a good mindset. And so again, I encourage you to find one book that you read every month that just, is entrepreneur based, because there really isn't a lot of mindset books for legal nurses, but I am working on one and it's getting published, so hang tight. But find a book that, really kind of kicks you in the butt if that's what you need, or maybe you're somebody that's more zen and you need some kind of book that's, not so straightforward. I'm a straightforward person. Just tell me what I gotta do. And that's why this book was great for me. And actually, you can see a rhinoceros in the background there. I have a picture of a charging rhino. And that's the mindset that I want to have in my business. So when I get up, I hit the ground running and I'm working towards my goals every single day so that, I don't miss those little moments with my sweet little baby. And so if you guys are needing more marketing, online and offline marketing strategy ideas, if you want to plug in and get more mindset activities, definitely join us in the NNC members community. I spent almost over 16 months developing this program for legal nurses. There's modules, training modules, they're all videos, so you can start and stop as you go. It helps you establish your brand online, helps you build your business so that you can, build success. They're the exact steps I've taken to build a successful LNC practice, and I share them all with you. I don't hold anything back. We have an exclusive Facebook group, so it's kind of like the virtual office. Every morning we get up and we encourage each other, and I just welcome you to join us over there, and I'll leave that link below. But cheers to your success. Grab a book that just encourages and motivates and inspires you, and get out there and build the business of your dreams. And I'll see you guys on the inside. Say bye. Say bye. Say bye, babies.